Have you ever had that sudden motivation boost at 2 a.m. where you're like, yes, I'm gonna fix my life? So you make the most aesthetic, color-coded, Pinterest-core study timetable ever created. And for the next 10 minutes you're convinced you're going to study 12 hours a day, drink 3 liters of water, wake up at 5 a.m., and basically become a new person. Yeah, and then the next day you wake up like, who made this timetable? Because it definitely wasn't me. Today we are fixing that. We're making a timetable that you'll actually follow, not just during motivation boosts, but every day. Be honest with yourself. Start by writing down all your subjects, but don't pretend they all give you the same level of peace. If a subject stresses you out, admit it. If another one feels like a warm hug, write that too. Being honest saves you from making a timetable that only exists in your imagination. We're trying to build something you'll actually follow, not something that only works during peak motivation energy. Find your real study hours. Everyone has their own brain active timing. Some people are morning stars, some are night owls, and some function only after a snack. Think about when you naturally feel awake. That is the time for your hardest subjects. Don't force yourself to do physics when your brain is still trying to figure out who you are. Use study blocks. Use simple study blocks: 50 minutes studying, 10 to 15 minutes break. It feels manageable and you won't end up burned out. Plus, breaks help your brain reset. And please avoid social media during breaks, unless you want your small break to turn into an accidental 2-hour scrolling session. We've all been there. Place subjects smartly. Now mix your subjects based on your energy. Hard subjects go where you have the most brain cells available. Medium subjects go in the middle of the day, and the easy ones go when you're tired but still trying to be a responsible human. Don't load all your hard subjects on one day. Spread them out unless you enjoy suffering. Make a weekly pattern. A weekly pattern makes your timetable feel more balanced. Maybe Monday is theory day because your Sunday rest gave you slight energy. Tuesday can be maths or physics since your brain hasn't fully given up yet. Wednesday can be revision day, Thursday for practical work, and Friday for whatever topics make you cry the most. Get them done before the weekend. And weekends? Keep them light. You deserve peace. Add daily mini revision. Add a tiny 20-minute revision slot every day. It's small, painless, and stops your brain from deleting information like a corrupted file. Future you will thank you when exam day comes and your mind actually remembers things. Make it aesthetic. A little bit of aesthetic never hurt anyone. If your timetable looks cute, you'll actually want to follow it. Use colors, neat lines, or soft tones, whatever makes it feel like something you want to look at instead of something that scares you. Be realistic. Please don't plan a 7-hour study day when your current max is 1 hour and a snack break. Start with small steps and build from there. Your timetable should motivate you, not make you question your life. Keep it visible. Put your timetable somewhere you can't ignore: your wall, your desk, your laptop screen, even your phone wallpaper. The more you see it, the more likely you'll follow it. It's basically a gentle reminder from your past self saying, hey, don't forget me. Add a daily reset ritual. Nothing complicated, just give yourself 5 minutes at the end of the day to reset. Clean your desk, set up tomorrow's tasks, or check off what you finished today. This tiny ritual makes you feel more put together and makes the next day way smoother. It's like telling your brain, we're still in control. Reward yourself always. Your brain loves treats, you just need to use them strategically. After completing a study block, reward yourself with something small. A snack, a 5-minute scroll, a skincare break, anything that gives you a little boost. When your brain knows a reward is waiting, it suddenly becomes 10 times more cooperative. Remember, your timetable is a guide, not a punishment. Missed a task? Didn't complete the day exactly as planned? That's normal. You're a human being, not a study robot. Just move the task to another day and continue. Guilt never helps, consistency does. Your timetable exists to support you, not stress you out.